Nair. Let us straight away get into the class. Think without ink. Now today's session, I will be covering as many questions as possible from algebra. Algebra, today's class will be on algebra. I will be taking most of the exam based models, and I will try my level best to help you out to solve the questions without using pen or pencil. Now let us straight away get into the class, right? What is algebra? Algebra is nothing but all about variables. We will be solving 4 variety of questions. There will be 4 varieties of questions which I will be solving. 4 types of questions I will be solving today. 4 types of questions. A question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Question contains variables, answer contains variables. Here the think without logic, ink logic will work, right? Then question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values, answer contains variables. Question contains numerical values, answer also contains numerical values. You take any question in algebra, more or less 80 to 85% of the questions comes under any of this set. What is that set? Question will have variables, answer also will have variables. Question will have variables, answer will be in the form of numerical values. Question contains numerical values, answer contains variables. Question contains numerical values, answer also contains numerical values. 80 to 85% of the algebra questions can be solved by using any of these 4 methods. Hopefully, once I complete algebra session 1, session 2, total I plan to take 5 sessions. 5 sessions I will be taking on algebra. By the end of 5 sessions, many of the students will be able to understand which method to be used when to use which method, where to use which method, why that method does not work on that set of problems, complete why, what, when, where and how the concepts are applied. All the WH related questions related to algebra will be solved in detail. I hope it is clear. These are the kind of questions. Total I plan to give this week to all the students who have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Minimum 10 hours of algebra sessions. I will plan to complete this week, right from August 15th to August 22nd. Now let us straight away get into the concept. Now, before we start, some fundamentals. What is a variable? Variable is an unknown value. Or the value which needs to be determined. Rambabu, please close this door. Variable is an unknown value. Constant is a fixed value. Or the known value. The value which is known to us is called constant. The value which is unknown to us, or the value which we need to determine, or the value which we need to calculate and tell that this is the value that is missing in the question, that is called variable. Third one, what are mathematical operators? Mathematical operators could be an addition, could be a subtraction, could be a division, could be a multiplication. All these are mathematical operators. If I combine mathematical operators with variables and constants, I will get an expression which we call it as an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3. Mathematical operators associated with constant and variables. For example, 2x plus 7. It is an algebraic expression. This is a constant, this is a variable, and x is a variable and 7 is a constant. There are two terms. If mathematical operators are there between two given values, that value is there, that value which we call it as a term. Term is nothing but a value before a mathematical operator or before or after a mathematical operator. Before or after a mathematical operator, if there are any simplification needs to be done, right? So simplified value before or after the mathematical operator is called the term. What is a variable? Variable is an unknown value. Constant is a known value. Mathematical operator is nothing but some kind of operators that are used on a variable or a constant. Expression is nothing but a variables, constants and mathematical operators together are called as expressions. In an expression we will have some functions before an operator or after an operator. That function is called as a term. That function is called as a term. I hope it is clear, right? What is an expression? Fifth one. If an expression is equated with 0, then it becomes an equation. If expression is equated with 0, then the expression is called as an equation. Equation is nothing but expression equated with something. Expression equated with something. If I equate an expression with something, I will get that thing known as an equation. Are you all with me? Right. Next one. The most important thing. The most important is nothing but what is a polynomial expression. What is a polynomial expression? Poly is many. Expression is nothing but a combination of variables, constants and mathematical operators, right? Suppose for example, a polynomial expression is generally given by a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube and so on up to an x power n. This is nothing but a polynomial expression. Expression is equated with 0. If it is an equated with 0, I will get a polynomial equation. Next, what is the degree? Degree is nothing but a non-negative. Degree always takes a non-negative integral value. Degree always takes a non-negative integral value. That means degree cannot be fraction. Degree cannot take a negative value. Degree cannot take a negative value. For example, right? 3x square plus x plus 7 is there. There are total anything before a mathematical operator or after a mathematical operator is called a term. There are three terms. In these three terms, what is a term 1 degree? Term 1 degree is nothing but 2. What is a term 2 degree? Term 2 degree is nothing but 1. What is a term 3 degree? Term 3 constant is there. Degree is 0. So each term has got some degree. Degree 2, degree 1 and degree 0. This is nothing but an expression. What is the degree of that expression? Degree of the expression is nothing but the maximum value of the degree of the terms. Maximum value of the degree. Find out the degree for each and every term and check which one is the maximum value. The one which is the maximum value for the degree of all the terms will become the degree of the expression. Here I discussed the degree of a term. In that degree of a term, if I take the maximum value, that becomes the degree of that expression. A polynomial expression degree will always be a non-negative integral value. A degree of a polynomial expression. If it is a polynomial expression, the power of any variable cannot be a fraction or cannot take negative value. For example, 5 by x. 5 by x is nothing but 5 into x power minus 1. A degree cannot be negative for a polynomial. It is not a polynomial expression. 5 by root x. This is nothing but 5 into x power minus 1 by 2. A power cannot be a negative, power cannot be a fraction. If the power of a variable is negative or fraction, then the expression is called as non-polynomial expression. A polynomial expression degree will always be a non-negative integral value. Non-negative, that means other than negative. Other than negative means it can take anything from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Or in other words, a degree of an expression is nothing but a whole number value. A degree of an expression is nothing but a whole number value. I hope you are all there with me. What is the definition of a variable? Unknown value. What is the definition of a constant? Known value. What is expression? Expression is a combination of variables, constants and mathematical operators together. What do you mean by a term? A function which is there before mathematical operator or after mathematical operator. That is called as a term. An expression is nothing but a combination of terms. A term is also a combination of variables and constant written together, or may be only constant or only variable or together. A polynomial expression can be anything from degree 0 to degree n value. So the generic form of a polynomial expression is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on up to an x power n. What is a degree of an expression? A degree of an expression is nothing but the maximum value of the degree of every term. Take the degree of every terms and calculate the maximum value. For example, a square plus b cube plus c power 4. What is the degree of this x function f of abc? What is the degree of this term 2? What is the degree 3? What is the degree 4? What is the maximum degree out of this one? Maximum of 2, 3, 4. This is nothing but a degree 4. Degree 4. What is the degree? A cube b square. What is the degree of this function a of b? A cube b square. A is a different variable, b is a different variable. If different variables are together written as a term, add the powers. If I add the powers, 3 plus 2, which is 5. So degree of this function of a comma b, which is nothing but 5. I hope it is there clear. If only one variable is there, that power will become a degree. If more than one variable is there in a particular term, add the powers, that will become the degree of that particular term. A square b power 4 plus a cube b power 5 plus a square b power 6. If I take it as a function of a comma b, what is the degree of the function a comma b? Degree of the function a comma b, 2, 4, because there are two different variables. 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 5 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8. What is the maximum value of 6 comma 8 comma 8? Maximum value is nothing but 8. I hope the idea is clear. If one variable is there, how to determine the degree? If two variables are there, how to determine the degree? Clear? What is the importance of this degree? Degree I will discuss in detail in quadratic expression. Degree helps us in determining the maximum number of roots a polynomial equation can take. Maximum number of roots a polynomial equation can take. What is the importance of this degree? Importance of degree is it helps us in telling the maximum number of roots a polynomial equation can take. For example, x square minus 5x plus 6 equivalent to 0. Degree is 2. That means this equation has maximum 2 roots. This equation has maximum 2 roots. For example, in this one x equivalent to 2 comma 3 satisfies the equation. So there are 2 roots are there. X square minus 4x plus 4 equivalent to 0, which is x minus 2 whole square is 0. X is 2. Only one root is there. X square minus 4x plus 13 equivalent to 0. D less than 0. That means no real roots are there. That means it will tell how many maximum number of roots an equation can take. That is the importance of degree. I will discuss more about the degree usage in quadratic and polynomial equation when I am discussing quadratic equation. Now straight away let us get into the problem. I hope you have understood the basic theory before we solve our problems. First question. Problems. See here, the entire problems is all about think without ink. Now, first thing, before we solve the problem, question contains variables. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables. If question contains variables, answer contains variables, what is the first method that need to be used? Method 1. Method 1 that needs to be used. If method 1 fails, I will go to method 2. If method 2 fails, then I will go to method 3. First, this is the flow chart to solve algebra problems. Algebra problems, particularly under the variety, if the question contains variables, answer contains variables, how we should solve it. If the question contains variables, answer contains variables, what is the first method should be solved? Method 1. Method 1. Now let us see the method 1. What is method 1? Method 1. Method 1 says a simple observation, degree in the question is equivalent to degree in the answer. Degree in the question should be equivalent to degree in the answer. Now, this seems to be a rational function. Let us determine the degree. P cube, Q square. P and Q are two different variables. If two different variables are there, degree is addition. 3 plus 2 is 5. Here also 3 plus 2, 5. 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 That means degree of the numerator, maximum of 5, it is nothing but 5, divided by degree of the denominator, p square q, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, all are 3, maximum of 3, it is 3, x power 5 divided by x cube, this is nothing but x power 5 minus 3, which is nothing but x square. Am I right? A power m by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n. That means degree of this entire rational function, is nothing but something power 5, something power 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Degree of the rational function in the question is 2. Method 1 says if the question contains variables and answer contains variables, check whether the degrees are matching. So degree in the rational function is 2. Answer also it should be 2. Here it is 1, 1, 1. Degree is 1. It cannot be. 0 means degree is 0. 1 means degree is 0. PQ 1, 1. If different variables are there, I will add the powers 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2, 2, 2. Maximum value is 2. Degree in the question should be equated with degree in the answer. So question is 2, answer is 2. Out of 4 answer options, 3 are eliminated. Only one option is there, that is option A. What if more than one answer option has the same degree as the question? That also we will discuss. We will take our class like the way Rohit Sharma plays. When Rohit Sharma is playing, first he will understand the pitch, then he will start scoring runs, then he will see the gaps, then he will maximize in run rate, then he will go on to become the 5 century maker in the World Cups. That is how one should play the match. That's how one should start their preparation. I hope the question is clear and explanation is also clear. Again, I am repeating for the second time because you need to understand this. Once you understand it, you can open any books in algebra. You will be amazed at the way you will start solving the question depending upon a category. What is the category? If the question contains variables, answer contains variables, the first thumb rule is degree in the question should be same as degree in the answer. Method 1. Method 2. Same idea. Now this question is nothing but the rational function. This question, it is a rational function. So same thing we will do. Degree in the numerator divided by degree in the denominator. We will do it a little slowly. Degree in the numerator and degree in the denominator. K cube L power 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Here also 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Maximum of 4, 4, 4, 4. It is nothing but 4. Degree in the numerator is 4. Degree in the denominator. K into K. K square. K into M. K power 1. M power 1. 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Maximum of 2, 2, 2, 2. It is 2. If a degree in the numerator, then degree in the rational function will become 4 minus 2, which is nothing but 2. Why? Because a power m by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n. So 2. Answer degree in the rational function. 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 In the question it is 2. Answer also it is 2. Again I am telling you, question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. If the question contains variables, answer contains variables, start using this one, right? So, degree in the rational function is 2. 3 is nothing but linear. K, L, M. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, but degree should be 2. 1, 1, 1. Degree is 1, but degree it should be 2. Here it is nothing but 2. So second option is right. Just by looking at a question itself, you are able to eliminate few incorrect answer options if the degree is not matching. Answers are not only given to see it, but also to be used. Answers or answer options are also meant to be used. In an exam of 100 questions, at least 30 questions can be solved by using answer options. 40 questions can be solved by using concepts. Another 20 questions can be solved by your practice and your way of looking at based on your intellectual ability. 30 questions can be solved by using answer options. 40 can be solved direct by attacking the concepts. If you solve more and more questions, your subconscious mind will be able to give you an idea inside that yes, you can solve it. The difference between this and this is, this takes a little less time to solve. This you know the method, but it will take a little more time. 10 questions, some you may solve, some you may not solve, some you will find it difficult. It is at a difficult level. These 10 depends upon your intellectual ability. Question number 2. I hope the idea is clear. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables in many answer options. Even if it is constant also, you can use this logic. Another one. Question contains, again, the first thing which I wanted to teach you in my class is how you should be able to identify. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables in maximum answer options, and one option constant is also there. So that means this logic can also be used in, if the question contains variables, answer contains variables and numerical values. Now again 3 terms are there. Term 1, a into b minus c whole square divided by c minus a into a minus b. This is nothing but a into b square plus c square minus 2bc divided by c minus a minus b. A into b square it is 3, a into c square it is 3, a into bc, b is 1, c is 1, a is 1. So degree in the numerator it is 3, Degree in the denominator, it is C into A, it is 2. So 3 minus 2, it is 1. Term 1, degree is 1. Term 2, term 2 also, same thing, I am getting degree is 1. Term 3, degree is 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the maximum value? Maximum value, it is 1. So just look at the answer option. This is degree 0, degree 2, degree 3. Option is degree 1. If the question contains variables, answer contains variables and numerical values. Please put this one in box. Otherwise, you will not understand when to use this concept, where to use this concept, where you should not use this concept. This concept is used in all the problems where the question contains variables, answer contains variables and constants. Idea clear? Question contains variables, answer contains variables and constant means a numerical value. Third one clear? Now fourth one. I hope it is clear. Fourth one. Now it is a very easy question. What is the degree of x? 1. What is the degree of y? 1. What is the degree of z? 1. What is the degree of w? 1. So degree of this x, y, z, w power m by 2. These are nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1. So all are different variables. If all are these different variables, what is the degree of this function? It is 4. What is into m by 2? So what is the degree of this function? 2m. Are you all with me? So what is the degree in the third value? Third value, it is 2m. Now here it is m. Here it is minus m. So if division is, if it is a rational function, what is happening to degree? Degree in a numerator by degree in a denominator eventually is becoming degree in numerator minus denominator. Am I right? If the power degree in the numerator is 5 and if the degree in the denominator is 3, what is happening? Eventually it is becoming subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. So here it is m minus denominator, it is minus m. M minus of minus m is 2m. Quotient degree it should be 2m. Answer also it should be 2m. These are nothing but 0. These are nothing but 0. These 4m. So answer is nothing but xyzw power m by 2. Did you observe? Degree in the question is given as minus m. What is the definition of a polynomial expression? In a polynomial expression, degree should be a non-negative integral value. Degree should be a non-negative integral value. But in this question, the denominator degree is minus m. Minus m. That means the function given in the question is not a polynomial function. I hope it is clear. A polynomial function will have a degree non-negative integral value. Why it has become 2m? So if it is, suppose x power 8 power m by 2, what it will become? 8 into m by 2, this will become 4m. Are you all with me? So the degree of this base value is 4. 4 into m by 2 is 2m. Again I am telling you, question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Question contains variables, answer contains variables. One I can write it as x power 0, right? If the question contains variables, answer contains variables. First method is degree in the question should be mapped with degree in the answer. Degree in the question should be mapped with degree in the answer. Now, if you see a beautiful question, sir. What if method 1 fails? What if method 1 fails? Just to make you understand that method 1 is not the best method and it will not give you unique answer. What if method 1 fails? It is failing right now. If you see here, x plus y plus z whole cube. This is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus z cube and so on. Degree is 3. Here also negative does not matter. Degree is 3. Degree is 3. Degree is 3. Maximum of 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. It is nothing but 3. Answer degree should be 3. Here degree is 1. Not possible. Degree is 0. Not possible. Two options are there. So method 1 is failing. Method 1 is degree checking. Method 1 is degree checking. It does not mean that you will get all the answers. Then I will go to method 2. Method 2. If the degree checking fails, substitute with 1, 0, minus 1 or any value which simplifies the problem. Any value which simplifies the problem. Are you all with me? If method 1 is helping you to eliminate to answer options, good enough, but that is not the best one. So in method 2, what you will do is substitute 1, 0 or minus 1 or any value which simplifies the problem. 0 cannot be substituted. All will become 0, 0, 0. All options will be satisfied. I will put x equivalent to 1, y equivalent to 1, z equivalent to 1. x1, y1, z1. So this will become 3 cube minus of 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 cube plus 1 cube plus 1 cube. So this will become 27 minus 3, 24. Answer should be 24 if I substitute x1, y1, z1. So it is 24. First method, if the question contains variable, answer contains variable, it is nothing but check the degree. If the degree is failing, go with the easiest values 1, 0 or minus 1 or any other value which helps you to solve the problem in seconds. So I took x value 1, y value 1, z value 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 cube minus of 1 cube plus 1 cube plus 1 cube. 27 minus 3 I will get 24. Only one option is giving you 24. This is method 2. Now method 3. Method 3, there is an equation given L plus M equivalent to 2n, then the value. Please write down another model. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Am I right? Variables. Answer contains numerical values. Only numerical values are there. Which method to use? The method which is used is, method 1 is here. More than the degree. Degree will not work, sir. Degree 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, degree 0, all are zeros. So, if the question contains variables and the answer contains numerical values, method 1 is make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. What is this make dependent variable 0? L plus M equivalent to 2n. How many of the students will solve this problem is, L is M1, M is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. N value is 3. Can I say the value of N is dependent on L and M? L is 2, M is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. N value is 3. Value of n is dependent on L and M. No need of substitution. No need of substitution. No need of substitution. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. L plus M equivalent to 2n. N is the dependent variable. Make n value 0. If n value, if I make it 0, 0 by something plus 0 by something, 0 plus 0 is 0. Are you all with me? No need to substitute. No need to put some random values, substitute in the question. Even if you substitute, you will get the same answer. Even if you substitute, you will get the same answer. Let us substitute L value 1, M value 3, N value 2. Substitute it. N by 2 by L minus N. 1 minus 2, n by n is 2, 2 by m minus n is 3 minus 2, minus 2 plus 2, which is 0. Why do I want to waste my ink and start substituting it when I know that L plus M equivalent to 2n? That means n value is totally dependent on L and M, or in other languages, L and M are independent variables. N is a dependent variable. Make dependent variable 0. When this approach is used, when the question has variables and answer has numerical values. When the degree method is used, question contains variables, answer contains variables. Next one, again see here, question contains variables. If the question contains variables and answer here contains numerical values, question contains variables, answer contains numerical values, what is the method 1? Method 1 is nothing but make dependent variable 0. Just by looking at a question, you will come to know what is the dependent variable. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. P plus Q equivalent to 2R. R is nothing but dependent on P and Q. Make R value 0. If R value is 0, then this question will become P by Q minus R plus P by Q minus R. Make R value 0. I got P by Q plus P by Q. If R is P plus Q is 0, what is P value? It is P equivalent to minus Q. So minus Q by Q plus minus Q by Q, minus 1 minus 1. Answer for this question is minus 2. Answer for this question is minus 2. I hope it is clear, right? There is a small mistake in this question. It is nothing but, actually in the exam, SSC exam, the question is like this. Not a mistake. The question is like this. P by P minus R plus Q by Q minus R. This is the actual question. I have changed the value so that for this question, what will be the answer? Make R value 0. P by P is 1, Q by Q is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. I hope the idea is clear. For this question, answer is minus 2, which is not there in the answer option. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. Seventh one clear, right? Eighth one. K plus L plus M equivalent to 0. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. If the question contains variables, answer numerical values, make dependent variable 0. K plus L plus M is 0. K plus L is minus M. What is the dependent variable? M. What we should make for the question variable answer numerical values? Make M value 0. If M value is 0, K square plus L square plus M square divided by K square minus LM. This is 0, this is 0. So K plus L is 0. That means K is nothing but minus L. So here it is minus L square plus L square. L square plus L square divided by L square. 2L square by L square. Answer is 2. One method where most of the institute teach is, they will ask you to substitute some dummy values. Dummy values are not needed. What are dummy values? K value 1, M value 2, K value 2, L value 1, M value minus 3. Dummy values are not required. If the question contains variables, answer contains numerical values, best way to solve it is make the dependent variable 0. K plus L plus M is 0. You can make K 0 or L 0. Answer will not change because it's a symmetric function. If K is replaced by M, M is replaced by L, still the value K plus L plus M is 0. If M value is 0, This is out, this is out. So wherever k is there, substitute minus L. Minus L square plus whole square is L square. L square plus L square divided by L square. Answer is 2. Idea clear? Question number 8. Question number 9. Again the question contains variables. Again the question contains variables. If the question contains variables and answer contains numerical values, and the answer contains numerical values, p plus q plus r equivalent to 0. That means p plus q equivalent to minus r. That means make a dependent variable 0. R is 0. If R is 0, the question is simplified to p square plus q square whole square divided by p square q square. P square q square. If p plus q is 0, if p plus q is 0, p is nothing but minus q. If p is nothing but minus q square, it is q square. Q square plus q square whole square divided by minus q square is q square, q square, q square. So it is nothing but 2q square whole square divided by q square, q square. Cancel. Answer is 4. Such an easy question if you understand which method to be used one. When these dependent variable concept will be applied, it is applied when the question contains variables and the answer contains numerical values. If the question contains variables and the answer contains numerical values, make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. Another one, this is nothing but an NCERT question. NCERT question. If k plus L plus M is 0, k plus L plus M is 0, k plus L equivalent to minus M. According to the question, M is 0, make dependent variable 0. But if I make dependent variable 0, dependent variable is in denominator. Denominator cannot be undefined. If the denominator is 0, the fraction value is undefined. Fraction value is undefined. That means a beautiful question which tells us when we should not use this method. Tell me better, when we should not use this method? Dependent variable 0. Making dependent variable 0 cannot be used whenever the dependent variable is in denominator. If the dependent variable is in denominator, if it is denominator, do not make dependent variable 0. Do not make dependent variable 0. You should know when to use which method, when not to use this method. Just to explain why we should not make dependent variable 0, I took an original question from an NCERT textbook. Don't make m value 0, answer will go for a toss. Now if n value is not 0, how should we solve this question? This is nothing but a symmetric question. If k plus L plus M is 0, what is k plus L value? Minus M. What is L plus M value? Minus k. What is M plus k value? Minus L. If I substitute minus M by M, minus k by k, minus L by L into, can I say k by L plus M? What is k by minus k? L by M plus k, plus L by minus L, M by k plus L, M by minus M. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. Idea clear? It's a very simple question. You can also solve this question by putting k value 2, L value 1 and M value minus 3. K2, L1, M minus 3. That also can be used it. By using this easily you will get the answer. I hope the idea is clear. 10th problem is important to understand when we should not make a dependent variable 0. dependent variable 0 cannot be used if the dependent variable is in denominator. 10th, I hope it is clear. 11th one, if p plus q plus r is 0, if p plus q plus r is 0, that means p plus q is equivalent to minus r is the dependent variable. R is the dependent variable. Only R is there in denominator? No beta. That means we can use this concept. If you observe, this question is again nothing but question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. Make R value 0. If R value is 0, this is out, this is out. This is nothing but 3q square plus p square divided by 2q square. If p plus q is 0, p is nothing but minus q. If p is nothing but minus q, 3q square minus q whole square is q square divided by 2q square. 4 by 2, answer is 2. Answer is 2. I hope it is clear. Again and again I am emphasizing, question contains variables, answer contains variables. Use a degree method at the beginning. If more than one answer option has the same degree, then go back to substitution method. What is substitution method? Substitute 1, 0 or minus 1 or any convenient value which simplifies your problem. That is one variety of questions which we discussed. What is the another variety of questions? Another variety of questions is, if the question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. What is that method that we need to use? Make a dependent variable 0. Make a dependent variable 0. When the dependent variable 0 cannot be used, it cannot be used when the dependent variable is in denominator. I hope it is clear. Just give me 1 minute. I will have a glass of water, then we will. U plus v plus w is 0. 1 by u plus v, 1 by v plus w, 1 by u plus w. These are another variety of question. These variety of questions uses a concept. Can I say a plus b plus c is 0? If it is 0, what will happen to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c? This also will happen to be 0 because denominator LCM is ABC. If denominator LCM is ABC, 1 by a 1 plus 1 by c is 0. This will become AB plus BC plus AC is 0. Am I right? That means very, very important conclusion. Please write the conclusion here. Conclusion. What is the conclusion? If A plus B plus C, if A plus B plus C is 0, AB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC, and 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is 0. 1 by C is 0. AB plus BC plus AC will also be 0. Please write down this. A plus B plus C is 0. AB plus BC plus AC. If these two are given, this is right. If these two are given, this is right. Is it clear? Now, listen carefully. Method, two methods we can do. Method 1. Method 1. U plus V plus W equivalent to 0. U plus V equivalent to minus W. V plus W will become minus U. That means the first value is nothing but UW. There are three variables UVW. UW came. Next VW will come. Next UV will come. Is equivalent to how much? This is the question he is asking. Am I right? Wherever U plus V is there, I am using minus W. Wherever V plus W is there, I am using minus U. If I take this LCM, UVW, what is missing? V. What is missing? U. What is missing? W. What is u plus v plus w? It is 0. So what is the answer for this question? 0. It's simple. Wherever u plus v is there, substitute minus w. Wherever v plus w is there, substitute minus u. UW, VW, UV. LCM is UVW. So top V, next U, next W. U plus V plus W. A plus B plus C is always 0. Idea clear? Idea clear? This conclusion I am going to use it in the next problems. What is method 2? Method 2. Method 2 is nothing but take U value to V value minus 1, W value minus 1. Substitute it, you will get the answer. 1 by u plus v, 2 minus 1, 1. V plus w, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. Plus 1 by u plus w, 1. V plus u, u is 2 minus 1, 1. Plus 1 by w plus u, 2 minus 1, 1. W plus v. W plus V, it is minus 2, which is minus 1 by 2, plus 1, minus 1 by 2, minus of 1, 1 plus 1, 0. Idea clear? Method 2 is substitution. Method 2 is substitution. Method 2 is substitution. I hope the idea is clear. Method 2. Method 1 and method 2. Now another one. If P plus Q plus R is 0, I think already we did this question. P plus Q plus R is 0. P plus Q equivalent to minus R. R is 0. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. R0, R0. P square plus Q square divided by Q square. P plus Q is 0. P is minus Q. Minus Q 2Q square divided by Q square. Answer is nothing but 2. Answer is nothing but 2. Idea clear? Make R value 0. P plus Q is equivalent to 0. R square is eliminated. RP is eliminated. P square plus Q square divided by Q square. Make P is equivalent to minus Q. Very simple question. Next one. If x plus y plus z, again and again I no need to say, if the question contains variables, answer contains numerical values, make the dependent variable 0. X plus y plus z equivalent to 0. X plus y is equivalent to minus z. Make dependent variable 0. Z is 0. These out, these out, these out. X square plus y square divided by xy. If x plus y is 0, x is nothing but minus y. Y square plus y square divided by x into y is nothing but x is minus y into y. 2y square divided by minus y square. Answer is minus 2. Very easy question. Make dependent variable. By this 14 problems, I am sure each and every student has understood that if the question contains variables, answer contains numerical values, make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. Now next one. If P plus Q plus R is 0, if P plus Q plus R is 0, P plus Q is equivalent to minus R. Make dependent variable 0, 0 by something out, 0 into something out, 0 into something out, P square by P square plus it is Q square, Q square by Q square, 1 plus 1, answer is nothing but 2. I hope the idea is clear. Make dependent variable 0, make R value 0, QR out, RP out, R square divided by R square, that is also out, P square by P square is 1, Q square by Q square is 1. 15th problem. Next one. U plus V plus W equivalent to 0. U plus V is nothing but minus W. W is nothing but 0. Make dependent variable 0. This is out, these out, these out. U square by 2u square plus v square by 2v square. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Answer for this question is nothing but 1. Idea clear? Make dependent variable 0. Make w 0. Make w 0 means w square by anything out, we out and v12 out. I hope it is clear. Next. Another question. K plus L plus M is 0. If K plus L plus M is 0, K plus L is equivalent to minus M. M value is nothing but 0. If M value is 0, this is out and this is out. So what is finally remaining? Finally remaining is K square plus L square whole divided by K minus L whole square plus L square plus minus K whole square is K square. If K plus L is 0, what is K value? K value is minus L. Minus L square plus L square, 2L square, minus L minus L, minus 2L, minus 2L whole square, plus L square, K value is minus L, plus L square. So it is nothing but 2L square divided by 4L square plus 6L square, 6L square, which is nothing but 1 by 3. Idea clear? Very, very easy questions. Only two categories which we discussed till now. If the degree of the equation is 1 and what if one variable, right, is a dependent variable. I hope it is clear. Now another variety of questions. Another variety of questions. Right. Now in this one we will discuss then another variety. Try this question. Now look at this question. What is this question? Question contains variables and answer contains numerical values. But the best thing in this question is, if you observe closely, dependent variable is C. Dependent variable, but all the questions in the numerical value, it is nothing but a square plus b square minus c square. Now if you see here, now a plus b plus c is 0. A plus b is minus c. C square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square minus c square, which is nothing but minus 2ab. I hope it is clear. So first value is nothing but 1 by minus 2ab. Second value, if a and b is there, minus 2ab. Second value will become minus 2bc. Third value will become minus 2ac. So here it will become minus 1 by 2 into 1 by ab plus bc plus ac. This will become minus 1 by 2 into abc LCM c plus a plus b. What is c plus a plus b? 0. Answer is nothing but 0. Answer is nothing but 0. I hope it is clear. A plus b plus c is 0. A plus b is minus c. I hope it is clear. To all the students who are watching the video, there is something great discount for you. There is a special 47% discount. There is a special 47% discounts on a 6 months or a 12 months course for the students who are watching it. But unfortunately, too many of our internal students we have there. First five students who message after problem number 20 will get this offer absolutely freely. 47% special discount is there, right? That means in simple language, you can buy a product at a 47% discount, or in case if it is a 3 months course, we are giving a 3 months course only at 1947 rupees special discount. Either you can go for 3 months course at 1947 or a 6 months or a 12 months course at a 47% discount. After problem 20, first 5 students I will give this offer. Let us continue this problem. Now see here, P plus Q plus R is 6. PQ plus QR plus RP is 1. What is the answer for this question? Make R value 0. If I make R value 0, P plus Q will become 6. PQ plus 0 will become 1. PQ is nothing but 1. P plus Q I know, PQ I know. R value 0, R value 0, R value 0. Directly the question became 6 into 1 is nothing but 6. Answer is 6. I hope the idea is clear. Make R value 0. If you make R value 0, right answer will be, sir, why to make R value 0? This is a symmetric function. Symmetric function. In this symmetric function, either you can make R0 or P0 or Q0. R0, P0 or Q0. I hope it is clear. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 2S. 2S is a dependent variable. S is 0. If S is 0, dependent variable is 0. Answer will become minus A square plus B square plus C square divided by A square plus B square plus C square. Answer is nothing but 1. Answer is nothing but 1. I hope the various problems that we discussed, you will clearly understand which method to be used. One. We will catch up tomorrow with Algebra session 2. Thanks a lot.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way learning. Download our revolutionary app for free. ANC.